Hi, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing from my Magical Lands album set volume 2. This is for the front cover pocket. Okay, so this is going to be a fairly quick video because it's pretty simple to put this one together. The first thing I'm going to do is just attach these two pieces together. And I'm using the Art Glitter Designer Dry Clear liquid glue as I do on all my paper piecings. Lay it down. Okay, let's see if we can get this on here. Now it has an 1/8 of an inch border around the word, so you just need to center it as best you can. That's what I like about using the liquid glue, is you have a little bit of wiggle room before it dries to kind of move it into place. But it does also dry quickly, so you still need to work kind of fast. And then I just use my pin from my glue to pick up any of that excess glue. Okay, press it all down. And I'm using beautiful glitter paper from Ella and Viv. It cuts just wonderfully on the Cricut. I don't know if you can you see that glitter shine in there? Okay, so then the next step, or the next piece, I'm gonna just go ahead and glue these in, the two silver lines. Okay. Oh, and this is an image set from Miss Kate Cuttables. So a shout out to her. This is really cute. Okay, now it's important that the blue castle goes down before the home word, because that's going to overlap on the castle, which is why that has its own outline. It's really just of the two small places that it overlaps, just to give it that border. Just want to press down on each of those flags, make sure they're secure. Okay, and the last layer, this goes right on top, and you can see, I guess it's 3 places, it kind of goes over just a tad, but I didn't like it without the border continuing around, so I just did a whole piece here. I think it makes it just look really nice and finished. And since we're coming to the end here, I just like to say, if you enjoyed this video and like to see more videos like this from me, please click the like button. That just lets me know that people are enjoying these and I should go ahead and continue making paper piecing videos. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more videos from me, click that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I always post updates and upcoming things, sneak peeks, lots of fun stuff. So thank you once again for watching and have a great day.